If you're experiencing billing issues on Xbox, follow these steps to resolve them efficiently. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix common problems. Step 1. Check your payment method. Ensure that your payment method is valid and has sufficient funds. Log into your Microsoft account and navigate to the Payment and Billing section to verify your credit card or PayPal information. Step 2. Review recent transactions. Look at your recent transactions to identify any discrepancies. Go to the order history in your Microsoft account to see if there are any unauthorized charges or mistakes that need addressing. Step 3. Update billing information. If your payment method is outdated, update it with the correct information. Go to the billing section of your account settings and enter the new payment details, ensuring they are accurate. Step 4. Contact Xbox support. If the issue persists, reach out to Xbox support for assistance. You can do this through the Xbox website or the Xbox app, where you can chat with a representative or request a call. Step 5. Monitor your account. After resolving the issue, keep an eye on your account for any further billing problems. Regularly check your payment methods and transaction history to ensure everything remains in order. By following these steps, you should be able to effectively resolve any billing problems on Xbox. If issues continue, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from customer support.